guitar champion, what's going on? Hombach here, back from my practice cave, and welcome to another episode of the Beginning Shredders, the basic of sweep picking. Today we're going to take a look at the etude, at a little sweep etude for our 3-string arpeggio sweeps. This etude is for my upcoming masterclass and DVD, the Zen of Sweeping. These masterclasses are 9 etudes about beginning sweep patterns, beginning sweep sections and sweep arpeggios. And this one is the second etude of this masterclass. You heard a really fast version in the beginning. Now you will hear a bit slower version. I'm going to play it a little bit slower. If you want the free tabs of this etude, then feel free to check out the description box. There's the download link where you can download the free tabs, but not only the tabs, this time also the backing track for 80 BPM, 100 BPM and 120 BPM, and also for 220 BPM. This is the tempo of the version you heard in the beginning. So, without further ado, let's check out this really cool etude. I hope you have fun with this lesson. Cheers and see you there. First, let's check out the chord progression. We have A minor, then going to E major, C major, D major, D minor, then we're going back again to A minor, then we have B major and E major. Then it repeats, A minor, E major, C major, D major, D minor, sorry, A minor, D major, and then we're going to G major, C, F major, D major, B major, E major, A major, E major, A minor. So we are playing with a lot of dominance, with a lot of major chords going to the minor chords, resolving into the next chord, and with that kind of approach we get this neoclassical kind of vibe and sound for this etude. But the most interesting thing is the melody line we have. Yeah, we have a melody, even if we are arpeggiating everything and playing everything in 16 triplets and 120 BPM, we still have a melody. And the melody goes like this. Something around this. We create this melody with our sweep arpeggios because every chord progression has some kind of insert melody with target notes and root notes and notes that are resolving into other notes, and this creates some sort of melody in between these chords. And we are using this melody to get a little bit of more creative and melodic kind of sweep arpeggio etude. Well, we're starting with A minor, the root position. So, sorry, 17th fret, our pinky, 12, 13, 14, 13, 12. Playing this one twice. Going to the E major, 16, 12, roll technique, 12 on the B string, 13 G, 12, 12, 16. So we have And watch out, when I change from A minor to E major, I start to put my index finger on the B string when I'm still in the A minor. Look here. Here, when I'm going to the C on the B string with my middle finger, I have my index ready to play not with my tip, but instead with the flash around here. So I'm ready for the roll technique in the E major. Going to C major. This transition can be a bit tricky because we have here the roll technique, and now want to go back to the technique where we're playing the strings with, or the frets with our tip. C major is 15, 12, 13, 12. The second inversion, going to the third inversion of D major. 14, 12, 10, 10, 11. Taking this inversion and putting it into minor. And going back to A minor, but this time not the root inversion, but instead the second inversion, with the fifths as our bass note. So far we have A minor, E major, C major, D major, going to D minor, A minor. Now comes B major, first inversion, 11, 7, 7, 8, 7, 7. And then E major, 12, 7, 9, 9, 9. Watch out for the roll technique between the G and the B string with this kind of inversion. So everything is nice and clear. Then we are jumping to the next inversion to resolve in our A minor again and to repeat everything. So far we have repeating everything. A minor, E major, going to C, now comes the D, D minor, A minor, B major, and now comes G major, C major, F major, D major, G major, oh, we're building up tension, E major, A major, E major, and A minor. I think my guitar is a little bit out of tune. Okay, and the last A minor chord is a 5-string sweep arpeggio. We don't have those yet, but I want to include this kind of arpeggio at the end because it's a nice sounding ending and it's a cool transition to the next chapter of the sweep section, which is the 4-string arpeggio. But here the 5-string arpeggio goes like this. We are starting as usual, 17, 12, 13, 14, and then going 14 with our roll technique. So we have to put our ring finger, now not with the tip on the G string, but instead with the flash side, so can roll to the D string. Kleiner Finger, sorry, this was German. Little finger, pinky, on the 15th fret on the A string, and pulling to the 12th fret on the A string. So this was a little sweep etude from my masterclass, Zen of Sweeping, a DVD and a masterclass that will be hopefully released in the end of the year. And this was an etude out of it. If you like this video, feel free to subscribe so I can do more and more videos like this. And feel free to comment what you want to see next after the sweep picking section on the beginning shredders. This way it's easy for me to find out what you guys want to learn from me. Alright, I hope I'm going to see you in my next video. So far, cheers, stay progress, and goodbye.